last thing you must do after repotting is watering. So I've got my can which I'm going to get. This is the best time of the day to water, and you want to target the bottom of the plant and give it a really good soak. It may take time in this case because this is quite a big one. That's the way they assure you, giving the plants that you just repotted a good chance. I'm going to do the same for all of them. So in total, I've got 2 acidos that I repotted. I had to divide these 2. That's the first time actually that I'm dividing acido. There's always a first time for everything. And these, when I said I think I've forgotten the name, it's in the I think I've got 2 other ones. One of them I put in the ground last year. I'm going to go back enough water to give the plants another one just to make sure they've got good supply. And they bring down the soil that they pot, which is okay. Also, this is the best time of the day to water because if you do this early in the morning, it's likely that and sometimes it's going to some of the water evaporated. So at this time the best is to ensure that the plants are good. And I'm trying. Not difficult, not was a bit difficult in some cases, not to water the plants itself because that's no use because the plant doesn't take water from the leaves, it takes it from the roots. I think that's enough for all of them. That means my job for today is done.